Faster loads, smarter routes, richer landmarks, and much more accessibility. Here's what's new in Zapworks Spaces. Hi, I'm Connell, CTO here at Zappar. I want to walk you through the latest update to Spaces, our app-free, turn-by-turn indoor navigation solution. Let's start with the big one, accessibility. Spaces exists to help everyone navigate a building independently. That's why we've significantly improved the accessibility of the Spaces user interface. Rebuilt against WCAG web accessibility guidelines, it features improved color contrast, automatic text size adjustment, keyboard navigation, screen reader support, and clear visible focus states. We've also made it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for, especially if they have sight loss. Attaching our accessible QR codes to equipment, products, or points of interest in your space means visitors can locate precisely what they're trying to find. It means navigating independently from the entrance all the way to your hands on the coffee machine. Destination cards have had a major upgrade too. Landmarks can now include images, video, audio, and properly formatted text, so you can tell the story of a place in whichever format works best. In addition, we've added a bank of ready-made templates, available in 10 languages from day one, dramatically improving efficiency when setting up a space. Choosing an optimal and comfortable path between places in a complex space can be a challenge, even for human beings. We've made some changes to how Spaces plans routes in order to better match the choices that a visitor would naturally make. In addition to distance, Spaces uses a variety of signals when evaluating possible paths, including effort levels, steps or stairs, and elevator waiting times. Where Spaces determines that there's a genuine choice in a route, it gives that choice to the visitor: the step-free route, the direct route, or take the stairs. And yes, that includes journeys across multiple floors. So say you need to get from a desk on level 3 to a meeting room on level 1. Spaces will plan the entire journey, including which elevator to take and where to get out and how to reach your final destination. No piecing together separate routes, it handles the whole thing, even buildings with multiple elevators serving different floors. Under the hood, we've also put Spaces on a serious data diet. Depending on the space, it now loads between 2 and 10 times less data. That means faster loading and a smoother experience for visitors, particularly on larger or more complex maps, or on 4 or 5G networks. And one final update for Android users, Spaces now once again works fully in the web browser for a complete app-free user experience. To make that happen, we've been working directly with the Chromium team to address some issues with Chrome's WebXR implementation. It isn't perfect just yet, there are still a few quirks, but it's a meaningful step forward and we're excited to have it back. So that's the update. Spaces is more accessible, more expressive, smarter about routing, and considerably faster to load. To see what all of that could look like in your own building, get in touch. We'd love to show you around, quite literally.